Good day, everybody. We're going to talk today about employment-based second preference category and explain it to you. My name is Sam Shihab. I'm an immigration attorney.
I'm Brian Burke. I'm an immigration attorney too.
And we are from the law firm of Sam Shihab and Associates. We practice immigration law throughout the U.S. and throughout the world. And in the employment-based categories, Brian, there are 5 preferences, 1 through 5, and the second one is employment-based second preference.
That's what we're talking about, yeah.
And we want to talk about who qualifies in that category. And there are really 2 groups.
Yeah, 2 groups. There's the advanced degree category and the exceptional ability category. And we're going to sort of go into them briefly and tell you what they are.
The easy one, I'm going to do the easy one, you'll do the difficult one, Brian. The advanced degree category is people with a master's degree, U.S. master's degree, or a foreign degree that's equivalent to a U.S. master's degree. If you have that degree, you are in the EB2 category. And you can file your green card in that employment-based second preference. Alternatively, under the advanced degree category, there is the bachelor's degree holders, again, U.S. degree or a U.S. equivalent, plus 5 years of progressive experience, meaning your experience as a professional in that profession has progressively advanced throughout the 5 years. 5 years or more, of course. If you have a bachelor's degree at 6 years or 7 or 8 or 10 years of experience, you are an employment-based second preference candidate, and you can apply through that category. The second criteria is called exceptional ability, and Brian's going to talk to us about exceptional ability.
Exceptional ability, let's contrast it with the advanced degree. Advanced degree has some hard and fast requirements. Exceptional ability gives you a list of 6 or 7 criteria, and you only have to meet 3 of them. So we'll go through those criteria and discuss them.
Yep.
So one of the possible criteria is having a degree, diploma, certificate, or similar that relates to your field. So for example, if you're in the field of computer science, you might have a degree in computer science.
An associate degree, for example?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, as long as you have a degree.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the next one is letters from current or former employers showing at least 10 years of experience in your field. So again, I'm going to use the example of somebody in computer science. You go back to your prior employer and said, Mr. So-and-so was a computer programmer with us for 10 years. There you go. A license to practice your profession. So this one is not one that would really apply to that computer science example, but it's something like, maybe a professional engineer's license or a law degree or, a doctor's license.
But not every profession has a licensing requirement, so you don't have to worry about it if it doesn't apply.
Yeah.
Okay.
So next one on the list is evidence that you command a high salary in comparison to others in your field. So basically, you can look up online in a wage database and see where the average person in your field is, and if you're way beyond that, you can meet that requirement.
You can add that to the criteria.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Next one on the list is membership of professional associations. So it's not just any professional association, Sam. It's not one where you just pay $20 and they let you in. It has to be a professional association that sort of judges your credentials. Somebody where they only let exceptional people in. So, yeah.
Okay.
A couple more here. There's recognition of achievement of significant contributions to your field from peers, government entities, or professional or business organizations. What that means to me, Sam, is, get somebody to write a letter for you saying, so-and-so made major contributions to his field or her field, and outlining them in a nice letter on your behalf as a favor to you.
If you get a certificate or recognition from the governor for something in the field, is that something that you can use? I'm just thinking.
Yeah, I think so. As long as it sort of articulates, what you did, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any recognition, okay.
And the last category here, Sam, it's not even a criteria, it's sort of a catch-all. The government's willing to consider other comparable evidence. So if these things, don't apply to your field because it's kind of special and kind of unique, they'll allow you to provide other evidence to show that, you are truly of exceptional ability.
Right. Okay, wonderful. For example, you commanded some leadership role in a big project and it made a big difference. That could be something that could be considered. And to meet 3 out of this criteria is what's required to become considered a person with exceptional ability.
Yeah, simply put, yes. However, if you're doing a smart case, you should probably be able to, make an argument to meet more of them because, if you only meet 3 criteria, all the government has to do is find flaw in one of them and your case is denied. So I'd like make them think twice by giving them more criteria.
Yeah, we'd like to argue 4 or more
to
give us a better opportunity for success. Now, so if you're exceptional ability, or if you have an advanced degree, you are in the EB2 category. Now, under the EB2 category, there's 3 different ways in which you can pursue a green card.
Yeah.
The most common way is through what we call labor certification, which is a test of the labor market, which requires a job offer. The second one is called national interest waiver. That means that labor certification is waived because the work that you're doing is in the national interest.
Sure.
And the third one is a pre-certification, Schedule A pre-certification. That means your occupation has been recognized as needing...
Pre-selected. The Department of Labor says, you guys don't even need to go through the process of labor certification because we know for sure that as long as you're in this occupation, you're needed in the United States.
And that's the pre-certification. And each one really deserves a separate video, which we will be doing. But those are the three paths that you can do to get your green card under the EB2 employment-based second preference. Thank you guys for listening to us. Have a great day.